In this video, I would like to show you how to use. I have showed you the OR function and the AND function with the mixture of if. So this is one more video with the OR and AND function. So in the beginning, I showed you some criteria where we use OR and in different scenarios. So then we made a mixture of OR and AND, and we got a desired results. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use OR and AND a mixture and when we interchange the columns. So this is my primary option, so I should, and this is my secondary. So what I want is a sweater with A and large size. So the secondary is the price should be within 2500 or discount more than 5%. So then I will be buying this. And so this is the cells, the column has been interchanged over here, and you can see item brand size in this way, and same way I'm using and or, and I'll be interchanging that also. So let me make a quick demo of the sheet which I'm going to do. So this is my demo sheet, so I'll be doing the criteria again. So let's make and in the beginning. So it's going to be like and. So my logical test will be it should be a sweater, and the brand should be an A, and the size should be so I want a large size. I'll be closing the parenthesis. So it's giving false because the size is M. If it is L, just if I make it L, it's giving a true. So now I'll be making an OR function for the commercial elements. So I'll be removing the parenthesis, typing an OR, open the parenthesis. The first logical test is the price. This one should be less than equal to 2500, comma, and discount will be more than or equal to 5%. Close the parenthesis. So should there be two parentheses, enter. So I want to make a if in this. So the condition will be like if is true, if this is true. If it is true, then I want to buy it. BUI. If it is false, then I will not buy it. I will not don't buy. So buy and don't buy. Open parenthesis, inverted commas, close inverted commas, and just close parenthesis. So showing me don't buy. So only this is the criteria where it's showing me buy, because sweater is A size in the it's A brand in the large size. Here this is not matching. It's less than more than 2500, but the discount is there, so I'll get a 300 dirham 300 rupees discount. So either way, this is the only the criteria where I can buy the sweater. Now what is going to happen if I make interchange the columns and see the results? So I'll be controlling and pushing it down. So this is and in the beginning. So what I'll be doing is I will be cutting cutting the cells, and I will be inserting the cells. So now you can see the cells have been interchanged, but the answer is the same. So here it's showing that E6 is sweater, AS brand, and large size. So it's not matching. So R is over here. So if you make an and here and there, it really doesn't matter much. So now let's see what is going to have if you make an or in the beginning. So the same formula I will be copying, and I will be typing this as an or. So this is or in the beginning. So what I'll be doing this, I'll be interchanging I'll be shuffling the or and and. So I'll be doing this as an OR, and here I'll be making this as an AND. You can see the result is showing me buy, buy, and don't buy. Because you can see that in OR in the beginning, it's telling it's a sweater A or M. So if it's OR in the beginning, this is the main thing. So any OR and then AND. So it's going to give me a buy. So if you make the same, if you interchange the cells over here and there, so what answer you will be getting? So let's do that. So what I will be doing this is I will be shuffling the column. So I'll be making this cut and pasting it. Sorry, inserting the cut cells. Not pasting, inserting the cut cells. Okay, let's see the answer in another way. Okay, so in OR function, let's again I'll be taking this over here, cut and insert cut cells. Okay, it's buy, don't buy, don't buy. So one, two, three, four, five, five buys and two times don't buys. But here it's a one, two, three, four, five. Okay, it's the same over here also. So it's a buy in the beginning and okay, or and or and yeah, you can see this. If you even if you shuffle the columns, the answer are almost the same. Buy, don't buy, don't buy. So in this way, I just wanted to show you how to play around with these things, and if you want to have the answers in or and. So what is the weightage if you make and in the beginning and or in the midst, or if you make and in the beginning and or in the midst? So how you get different results? So you can see the answers in the and in the beginning and or in the beginning are totally two different, are totally different. So uh, in the next video, I'll be showing more on this or and and functions with some more criteria and adding on this. So I hope you got a good answer from this, and it will make you more comfortable because I have managed to make everything on the screen uh, with more clarity. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button if you understand the video. Please comment on the videos, and in let's see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.